Welcome to the fastest, most unique energy bite you'll ever make. Forget chocolate. Today, we're making smoky, savory barbecue cashew fuel in just 5 minutes with only 3 ingredients. Step 1. Grab 1 cup of roasted cashews and 2 tablespoons of your best quality smoky chipotle dry rub. Pulse these together until they resemble a coarse meal. This builds our strong, savory flavor foundation. Now add 1 cup of soft pitted Medjool dates. Dates are our natural, healthy binder and sweetener. Process until the mixture completely sticks together into one satisfying, resilient dough ball. No oven required. Scoop out small portions and roll them smoothly between your palms. These savory, sweet flavor bombs are packed with healthy fats and fiber, perfect for fueling your day guilt-free. Ready in minutes. The smoky chipotle and natural sweetness of the dates create an addictive, unexpected balance that is absolutely delicious. Keep these refrigerated for a grab-and-go snack all week long. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.